Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm making hot dogs today. Hot dogs and the Cambodian soup. This is soup. My soup. There's meat in it. It's cabbage, um, beef, spare rib, and the oxtail. I cooked them yesterday. Today I'm gonna add mushroom. These are my mushroom. These are my mushroom. Get off from work. That's how you feed yourself. Homemade food. And this is my hot dog buns. And I'm gonna show my outside while I'm waiting for the soup to boil. Outside is raining. It is raining. It's raining. Not that bad. It's raining a little bit. It's messy. My backyard's a little messy. And here are my hanging plants. It's a little messy. Let's get off from work. Do a little tour of my home, my backyard. It's messy. It's a little messy. But that's alright. That's life. And that's my neighbor's house. This is my backyard. That's my neighbor. I want you guys to see one of my flowers. My base flowers. And then there's another one here. I'm filming it in the rain. Once it's flower, it's going to be, it's pretty once it's flower. Oh, so this one, they're blooming right now. Nice. This is clavia, blooming right now. This is my guava tree. And that's my dragon fruits. My lime tree. Let's go see the front. Let's go see the front. And look at this tree here. This year we don't have a lot of flower yet. It's a little, not much. It starts to bloom. Little by little, start to bloom. And that's my kumquat tree. It's relaxing, coming home, raining, and for some reason my kumquat is dropping. The fruits are dropping down. And let me show you the yellow flowers. These are really pretty. Right here. It's yellow. I like it. It's really nice. I like this one. And here are the ice plant. It's not blooming yet. but it's getting there. It's getting there. And it's raining.